evening, he was arrested from Delhi. There's an area called Najafgarh, so he was arrested by the district Hathras SOG team, and he was arrested by proper police action yesterday evening.
He did not surrender?
No, he did not.
Where was he trying to flee, sir?
We'll have to look, we'll have to scrutinize the CDRs, and then we'll be able to comment on it.
So what is the larger conspiracy and the political angle as well?
I mean, he was the main ayojak over there. He was the one who took the permission, so he was accountable for getting all the safety measures and all the crowd control management techniques, so he should have followed. And secondly, there are some political linkages which he is claiming that there are few political parties who might be funding them, but we'll be able to comment on it after looking at the money trail.
He also stopped the police administration to enter the satsang premises.
Yeah, obviously the entire satsang team, they did not allow the police and police personnel and the administration to enter into the pandal, and they did not let us serve the public over there.
Nipun sir, will Baba be also just questioned?
We'll have to inquire. We'll take this Madhukar on PCR, and then we'll be able to comment on it.
So this was Nipun Agrawal in an exclusive conversation with Times Network, where he told that how the accused Madhukar was arrested, and not only that, Madhukar also claimed that there were some political connections also in the funding. So this is the big breaking that we are getting as of now, where the SP Hathras told that how Madhukar was arrested, and then later what will be the inquiry in this entire investigation.
Revelations there, the fact that the police were stopped from intervening during the event, they were stopped from taking videos and photos of the event, and the cop, they are also saying that the money trail, the fund will be probed as well. Whether or not there are political linkages is something that the cops will have to investigate. Tetri, thank you for the details. Without a quick break.